Hi Jeremy, my name is Parker and I work for YAG SEO. We are a marketing agency here in Edmonton and I happen to be doing some research today and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot you guys over this quick video to go over 3 things that you guys can do today to start beating out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste any of your time and I don't want to waste mine either. So if by the end of this video you guys like what you see, and if you'd like to know more on how we can help grow your business online, then give me a call and I'd love to have a chat. If not, then no harm, no foul. You could take these tips that I'm giving you in this video and put them into action for your business today. So let's get right into it. The 3 things I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. First thing is content, and that's basically anything you could see on the front page, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and also what's behind the pictures. Those are all included as content. So, for example, if I go and save this image here, you can see it's saved as a bunch of random stuff there. And if I go to a different photo here and try and save it, you can see the same thing. It's saved as all this random stuff for the file name. And you can actually go and save every single one of these photos on your website as different keywords and phrases that people are going to be searching for. So this one can be saved as Edmonton plumbing, and another one could be Edmonton heating, or anything like that. All of those factors are going to be seen by the Google search engine, so making sure you have enough unique, relevant, and high quality content on your front page allows you to add in those keywords and phrases that people are constantly using to search for when they're looking for your types of services. So having more content filled with those words and phrases is really going to help you be found easier on the Google search engine. And that includes the actual words itself on your homepage. Now, we like to have at least 1,500 words for the homepage alone because it really helps to get optimized with Google and to throw in all of those keywords and phrases you will need to get ranked higher. So if I keep on scrolling through your website here, it does look really good already. However, I definitely would throw in a lot more just actual words for the content. And like I said, change all those pictures and how they're saved as. But besides that, it does look really good. Now, the second thing I want to go over is going to be citations. And if I go over here, you can see I just Google searched Edmonton heating services there. And citations are going to take place more in the map section here. And all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories throughout the web. Now, if you're wondering what a directory is or how can we get into them, well, all a directory is a website out there that allows businesses to enter their business information and services onto their website. So, like Yellow Pages or Yelp or LinkedIn or even Facebook has a directory for citations. And a good technique that we like to use is to look at the competition in the area and see what directories they are using, because there is a good chance that if they are working for you, for them, sorry, then they are also going to work for you guys. And you don't want to just go out and get what your competition has. You want to go out and get even more than what they have so that eventually you can outrank them on Google and be seen on this map section here. Now, the third thing I want to go over were backlinks, and that'll take place more down here in the organic part of the Google search. And essentially all a backlink is another website that is linking back to you guys saying that you offer plumbing or heating types of services in the area. That way it brings relevance and keywords that you guys are trying to rank for people to find you more easily on Google. Now, with this tool that we like to use called Ahrefs, I can actually see the amount of backlinks and referring domains and the amount of traffic that any website is getting every single month. Now, with you guys, I can see you have 67 referring domains giving you 263 backlinks, giving you 1.1 thousand organic clicks a month essentially on Google. And I can actually click on these referring domains and see all the different websites linking back to you right now, giving you guys some authority and relevance in the marketplace. Now, if I are were to go back to your competitor's website here now on Ahrefs, I can see they have 127 referring domains, giving them 395 backlinks and 1.9 organic clicks of traffic every single month. So you can see that they do have a little more than you guys in most of the categories here. So, like Citations, we would want to go and see all of the different referring domains they have, and you would want to try and get everything they have and try and use it for your own website as well, because like I said, if it's working for them, it is most likely going to work for you as well. And you don't want to just get as many backlinks as they have. You want to get a lot more than them so that you can eventually outrank them on the organic part of Google as well. Now, I really hope that this video has been informative for you guys. Like I said, you are free to take these tips today and use them on your business as soon as possible. Or if you would like to learn more on how YAG SEO can help grow your business online, then feel free to contact me. My information is right here. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this video, and have a good one.